This 2024 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31K is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 7, LP detector, Slideout, water heater, stove top burner, DVD player, awning, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, microwave, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31K is built on a Ford E350 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.